going to be showing you guys today a good example of what you should be buying in the grocery store to get a good nutrition, healthy, and to make you lose weight. This is awesome for snacks. Only 90 calories, 2 cookies, 4 protein, 6 net carbs because it has 8 fiber. Lavash bread from Jose's pita bread. This is awesome. It has 60 calories for half a pita, 8 of carbohydrates and 2 fibers with 6 proteins. So one full pita would be only 12 of carbohydrates and 12 grams of protein. You guys should get it for your wraps and things like that. Look at this one, the bean sprouts. Also good for your wraps. This only had 20 calories for 1 cup and 3 grams of carbohydrates and 2 protein. Excellent source of protein and doesn't have almost no calories. Kale, believe it or not, has more calcium than milk. I put it in my shakes, or you can even like cut it in pieces, put it in the oven and make kale chips. Avocados, this is very important for your fatty acids, good source of fat. Kiwis, very good source of vitamin C. If you eat kiwis at night, it helps you, it has melatonin, it helps you to sleep. These berries, blackberries, strawberries, very good for antioxidants. Walnuts, another good source of fat and fiber and protein. A whipped cream, this is a very good alternative. Zero sugar, only 1.5 grams of fat, no carbs, keto friendly. Very good option for your fruits. For butter, I use ghee, organic, which the comparison with the regular butter, 45 calories versus 100, only 5 grams of fat versus 11, and is way healthier. This is basically what you should be getting in your refrigerator. I have ground turkey, 93% lean, chicken breast. This is the PB2, which replaces the peanut butter with less fat and more protein. Kale, avocados, cilantro for your blood, organic eggs, bananas, potassium, berries for antioxidants. I already showed you the lavash bread is awesome. Walnuts, this for good snacks, some salad, sprouts, ghee to replace the butter, which is healthier, and there you have it. Let me know if you have any questions. Let's do it.